great day for a drive, especially in a 2017 Transit Connect XLT in white. Black cloth seats, seating for two. This is a cargo van, and it has a 2.5 liter four-cylinder engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a front-wheel drive. It has sliding doors on each side, as well as cruise control, overhead bin, and reverse sensors. It's really easy to take this vehicle out on a test drive. You can book it online at islandford.ca. Stay tuned, we're going to have a look under the hood and inside and out. This is a 2.5 liter four-cylinder engine. It has an automatic transmission and it's a front-wheel drive. Let's have a look inside. Speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is manually adjusted, and you have your lighting controls located here. The steering wheel can tilt, and on the face of it is your dash controls, cruise control, media with volume, and we're going to take a look at our dash here. We've got our odometer reading, and in this particular case we've got the kilometers to empty. You're going to have any important messages that you would need to see, and we're going to the main menu here. So there's trip 1, trip 2, information, settings, and these all have sub-menus. In the center you're seeing the time as well as the temperature outside and the date. There's your CD player. You have AM, FM, as well as Sirius satellite radio, and you have your volume and tuner there. As well, you have your hazard lights. Down below is your fan. You have the AC, max AC, and there's the heated side view mirrors, as well as your parking sensor. Automatic select shifter. Down below there's a 12-volt place to put little items, couple of cup holders, and your emergency parking brake. And the armrest in the center is quite nice. It's got a USB and auxiliary line in, plus room to put items. Off to the side is your glove compartment, and you have your lighting controls located here. You've got this overhead storage bin, which is quite handy, but you do need to be careful about what you put up there. And there's a grab handle on the passenger side, just making it easier to get in. 16-inch wheels, body cladding, black door handle and side view mirror, and you also have a sliding door on the driver's side. And in the rear you have the two doors. On the left hand side, where your license plate holder would be, is where your backup camera is located, and you also have backup sensors on your bumper. And then when we want to open up those doors in the back, simply pull the handle and that opens up easily. And then there's a little clip here. You just pull that and open the other door. You can see this nice protection on the floor as well as on the walls. You have lighting up top, and there's hooks and tabs to be able to tether things. And then when you want to close it all up, swing your left door closed first and then your right, and then you can lock everything up and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. The thing about this van is it has a sliding door on each side. So we're just opening the passenger side rear sliding door, and you see you have this nice step and this great vinyl flooring, easy cleanup. There's tabs and hooks to be able to tether things back here, and you also have a nice light up top, and you have the protection along the walls as well. And there's the center console there, and you're seeing on the driver's seat the control there that you can crank for your lumbar. And we're just going to slide the door closed. There you go, and you're ready to take off. Your side, easy fuel gas filler, sliding rear door on the passenger side, privacy glass, adjustable side view mirrors, halogen headlights, and so many more reasons to visit us. If you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe. We have plenty to share with you, and we love to hear your comments.